Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Exact Sciences Corp, and if you look at this long-term chart, it's very bullish and it's keep on rising. And if you look at this current trend as well, so you will find that the stock is probably ready to go much longer from its current level. So what we are looking at is the long-term chart, and the things we are going to look here as well is for long term. Okay, so do not think just you can use it for intermediate term, but basically it's for long term. So understand this. Let's just first look at the big resistance level which the stock has made in the year 2019. So it was at 127 or probably $128, then it falls down to 36 $35. So it's a very big fall, and then it is again trying to move up, but in a longer term time frame what it looks like is simply a consolidation or correction which has happened inside a range, and the stock is now ready to move up, or probably it is going up right now. So right now what you can see is 127.73 will be your big resistance, and once it crosses on the upside there will be a start of new trend. Now the conditions are that it needs to go and settle above $128. So it's not like it will go up and again falls down. It needs to go up, even though it will fall down or it won't. It needs to settle above 128, then only it will be considered as a start of a new trend. Now for this current trend you have your support level at 54.9, and then you have 38.47 on the downside. Okay, now if you look at that long term trend, what you can see here is something like this. Okay, is something like this, but will it be used for, or can we call it as a trend? Probably not. So in that sense we are going to use some other techniques, or we are going to take reference from other trend lines. So here you can see so let me just draw your attention towards its previous range. Okay, so this was the previous range for this particular script. Okay, now, and the stock made a breakout in 2015, again falls back. So in what we can do here is we can just measure the length of this trend, and if you look at this trend you will find that the trend worth 7525% if you just or simply measure the length of this particular trend. And if you can apply the same thing here, you will find a target of, let me just zoom this a bit, 7500. So somewhere in between 360 to 300, yeah, here 370 to 380 on the upside. So that's the target one should look for if the stock sustains or make a breakout above 127 odd dollars. Okay, so or else you can use this line as your resistance, where rather than considering a single point, what you can do is, if the stock, so the condition will be same, if the stock moves above 128 dollars, then there will be a range which we can look for a long term. So this is your range. Okay, so stock may go in between 200 to 300 or 400 or dollars in the next, at least the length of time which you can consider is at least for 3 to 5 years. Okay, not less than that. If it happens before that, that's a different thing, but the time you should consider for this is at least 3 to 5 years in the longer term time frame. But looking at the chart pattern, it seems that the stock is very strong in its trend, and probably it will go higher in the days and in the months to come. So trend wise, there is no doubt about this trend. It's just how far and what could be the probable targets we should look at. So for that, we can look at this range in between 200 to $400 in the upcoming years. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.